Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Well, I got a message from my daughter. Where are you? And I'm like, Daddy and I are out to dinner. And we're going to Walmart. She's like, oh, okay. Well, I have something in between the doors for you. I know you were kind of looking for them. So when I was at a Dollar Tree on the east side of town, I stopped in because Riley needs fairy wings for school. I have no idea, whatever. And she wants pink ones. And the $2 trees we went to, one didn't even have any, and then the other one only had blue, and she didn't want blue. So I guess her and Sam and the kids were on the east side of Green Bay, and they swung into a Dollar Tree there. So I don't know what she picked up for me. I just kind of came in, and here we are. So let's see. Well, she isn't aware that Sabrina, Miss Matchcrafter, my personal Dollar Tree shopper, picked up these stickers already. But I ain't gonna complain. Oh, they are cute though, now that I've seen them in person. Oh my god, look at the little gnomes. Grateful and very thankful. Fall. I can't wait to do a pocket letter. Look at that, he's got a Starbucks coffee. Some are cute. She said they didn't have Halloween. She found some of the stuff. She figured I'd want these because, like I said, she didn't know that Sabrina picked these up for me. Cute. That's right, Sabrina's picked me up. Ow, 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 ow. Ouch, sorry. My toe was bothering me yet. I didn't think it would take this long for a toe to heal. But she didn't know that Sabrina picked these up for me already. What is in the mail? Oh, them are cool. Classy. Cool. She said they didn't have any Halloween. Oh, haha. I've been dragging. I told her today I was looking for the blue trucks, the mini decor, and I showed her. Awesome. She brought me two. That's cool. Oh, look at I didn't harvest the little trucks. Cool. And then Sabrina bought me them too. That's alright, I'll use them. Oh, look at. She bought me green. Kind of weird how they have that thing shooting out like that. And then the red. That's cool. And then, look at it. Did I get this one? I don't remember which ones I got today. No. These are the ones. This is this one I picked, and this one. Cool. I didn't even know they had a truck one. That's awesome. Well, thank you, my Dymond and grandchildren. Harvest time. I like that. I might use alcohol markers instead of paint. Who knows? But this is cool. Awesome. So I got the trucks. Plus, Sabrina picked me up trucks too. So I'll have enough trucks for a while. I don't think Sabrina was able to find me blue. Because I did remember, I was telling Diamond what I wanted. I was looking for the little blue truck, so I wanted 2 packs. So she must have grabbed 2 packs and decided to grab me one of each of these colors. Just in case, and probably them are cute. That's alright. Huh. The stickers, I tell you, they have really stepped up their game. So, I can't. And I had Sabrina pick me up 2 packs of each, so, oh well. That's okay. I ain't gonna shoot a gift in a gift, you know. It's a nice thought. She didn't have to do this for me. But that is my daughter. She's like that. And she won't say you owe me. Let's see how much. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. I'll be like, okay, I owe you $11, and she won't take it. She'll be like, no, you don't. So that was kind of cool to come home to. I didn't know what the heck she had picked up for me. So when Scott opened the door, there it was, and he goes, oh, she must have forgot Dollar Big today. And I'm like, no. I got a message from Dymond. She says, where are you? So we're out to dinner. Treat already? And like, yeah, we're actually at Walmart. We're just headed, I literally just got into Walmart. And all I bought at Walmart was black spray paint and cat food. Scott spent more money than I did. But, let me know if you guys can hear that fan. I have my little fan I bought earlier today. If you can kind of hear it, if it's too loud, or if you can't hear it at all. Let me know. Alrighty, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you, Dymond. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.